Hey guys, I'm doing all the Hackerrank Java problems on this channel, so click the link in the description box and you will be provided with all the solutions of the problem. So let's take this question today. We are given an integer and we need to convert it into a string. So if the input is 100, so we need to convert this 100 integer type into a string integer type, and if we are successful then it will say good job, and if we fail to convert then it will say wrong answer. So it's not even a question, they're just trying to check if you know the syntax or not. So this is the code and we just need to add a line here. Here the integer is n and we need to convert this n into a string. So here we'll start with taking a string variable s, and where we are going to store the value n. So s will be equal to integer dot to string, and so what this will do is the integer n value will be converted to string. So this is a function in Java that we can use to convert one type of a primitive data type to another. So this will convert n integer type to s. So an s variable, as the variable which is going to store that, and it will print it. So it will not print. So here if n is integer dot present s, so it will print good job, and if it's not, else it will print wrong answer. So let's check this. So it's correct, I think. Yes, it's correct. So thank you for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Peace.